Maayong hapon diha bay. Kumusta? Nako nga rin karon sa Campbell's Craft na kanang kuan nga sito gani kanang singkan siya kanang singan ani. Campbell's Craft nga kanang kuan sito gani. Dili ko mao bay. Campbell's Craft nga reserve or like park or yeah, there you go. Nagat tracks akong ulo. Anyway, to tell you guys what's happening now is that kanang lately I haven't been doing good in my vlogs, and not really getting good content, and I'm not feeling it. And usually when mag-vlog ko, I have all the energy, whatever, and everything else. I have everything up, so every time I start putting on the camera, I can talk a lot of things. Like especially when traveling, you're high, you want to do a lot of things. But lately, nothing's coming up, nothing's going on with me. I've made a lot of kadang vlogs, like reviews, like some items, like some information that sa gunsak ni paghimo, but the thing is nothing's coming up. So yeah, what's going on is that my mind's not into it. I've been distracted lately, and I have my personal problems, personal issues, and everything, and personal shits with me. So yeah, it's not working well for me, and I've been trying to use my A7C to vlog also, and the thing is it has become heavy to me, and it's not doing good. It's not really giving me anything nice, and it's not making me more creative. So with vlogging, you have to be very creative. So it's not giving me that. So I've decided that I'm just gonna stop doing that. I'm just gonna lock the car first. I'm just gonna stop doing that, and I'm gonna start making a lot of my Bisaya vlog for now. So yeah, I'm here in this park. Sige kong fly akong drone diri, and muy nakanindot diri bay kay kanang kuan hawa makakita ka sa kilid ako sa stop ning kikita ka diha, like you see that's park chair, so you can just come here to the park and walk around, and di ko ganahan na nga sounds kay mayat akong shirt. But anyway, yeah, so you can do a lot of walking around here, just relaxing. And sa tuwa kasi wala makita park like this, and they take care of this park, you know. It's mowed, like walay bitin, kaya here in Australia dagan siyang bitin. So yeah, it's nice to go around here, and I was wishing we can have this in the Philippines, but I know it's hard. So yeah, look at the trees, man. And taas pa kaya na siya ma-walk na to, like it's a very long walk. So in here, although this is present, some people have mental health issues, because the thing is they have their own problems and everything else, and just like us back in the Philippines, we have daghan sa kitang mga problema and everything. Although makaingon ko nga mas medyo swerte sila gamay, because the thing is as you see, this park here is like so good. If you're stressed out, and if you want to feel nature, you can just come here. Sa tuwa ang mga nature spots, it's either naibayad, layo kayo, or kanang hugaw, because we're the ones making it dirty. I hope we Filipinos would find a way to clear our backyard and make it look good. And look at this. This is just a small piece of land, and make it as a nature reserve. And you can just sit down here, sit down on that chair there. And then you can just admire nature. Like, yeah, I'm gonna rotate the camera around. So yeah, you can just see that. So ina na lang siya, relax na kay kabay. So when I'm stressed out, and when I'm tired, and when I want to fly my drone, you're not really allowed to fly drones most of the times here, but yeah, when I wanna do something like that, when I want to relax, and I want to be alone, and I just want to think, because nahanap ko tambay, I just go here, and it's very nice. So yeah, muna kong wish may tag na tayo mga sa Pilipinas, because the thing is a lot of sa Pilipinas, we have a very good country. Like the weather's so good, it's warm, but it's not always cold also, and it's like beach weather all year. And then kaning places like this, we have places like this. It's not the same trees, it's not the same, dili siya pareha nga kuan, but Philippines is a good place. Like we have waterfalls. The waterfalls here are so small. Ang atong mga natural resources is so good. There are a lot of places there in the Philippines na nindot, but we're just not taking care of it, or either we're monetizing it we're not sharing it to everyone or something. Well, if it's yours, then it should be yours. But the thing is, we're not taking care of our country. We're not taking care of our natural resources. So it's sad. Yeah. So muna siya bay. So if you think na kanang nindot mo muna diya sa gawas good kay kanang namugumo yung inani, yes, na yung mga inani, but the thing is it's because they're taking care of it. The government's taking care of people also, and they're making sure na clean. I can see some garbage here, but they're making sure places like this are clean. And in saying that, yes, I wish natay inani sa tuwa. I'm heading home now. It's getting dark. And that will be our quick video for today. Yeah, you see birds. Nagkapakay birds gari. And napit na gani sa dalan yun. So dalan diha. And then here, that's the park there. This is my car here. So muna siya. I just wish we have things like these back home. And yeah, it would have been nice. Anyway, muna siya. That's our episode today of Bisaya Bai. Di lang sa tayo overkill kun sa, but yeah, I just wish that we Filipinos would, kita mga Filipinos, not necessarily Cebuanos, would know how to take care of our country, like our natural resources, and use it for us, not kanang hugawon itong mga rivers and everything. Yeah. Anyway, wala ko klaro mag-vlog lately, but anyway, I'll try to make vlogs like these, which are so random and everything else. And yeah, this in the next few days, there's no format for the vlogs. There's nothing else. I'm just gonna film myself, and I need to go home. Okay, yeah. And that guy also, yeah, he just came here to walk. And yeah, if people just do that, just come here, just walk, just relax, and that will be very good, very nice. Anyway, yeah, lucky to be here. Also, kita ako bago lang mo kanang a very good sunset. Mura siya sa kanang Miss Saigon or something kay Lingin King Sun, and it's so low in the ground, man, low in the whatever. Anyway, ingon lang ko. I hope tomorrow's gonna be better than today. No more mental health shits. So yeah, these are the stuff. Good shopping for scotch fillet. Yeah. Inana siya ka awkward bay. Nag-try ko vlog sulod ganito, nagpalit ko mga gamit, mga stuff pa. So ano bitaw, baboy gun sa. Wala ko ma-video. May ayo. Mo lagi ni. Anyway, paulita.